Making money on OnlyFans can be a lucrative venture if approached with strategy and creativity. The platform allows creators to monetize their content by offering exclusive access to their fans, making it essential to identify your niche. Whether you're a fitness trainer, chef, artist, or adult content creator, defining your unique selling proposition is crucial. First, build a strong personal brand. Your profile should reflect your personality and the type of content you offer. High-quality visuals and engaging descriptions can attract potential subscribers. Consistency is key. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to remain subscribed. Consider offering a variety of content types, such as photos, videos, live streams, or behind-the-scenes glimpses to maintain interest. Pricing your subscription is another vital aspect. Research similar creators in your niche to determine competitive pricing. You may want to start with a lower price to attract initial subscribers, then gradually increase it as your content library grows and your audience expands. Offering promotional discounts or free trials can also entice new subscribers. Engagement with your audience is essential. Responding to messages, soliciting feedback, and creating polls can foster a sense of community, making fans feel valued and more likely to remain subscribed. Additionally, consider utilizing social media platforms to promote your OnlyFans account. Sharing teasers or snippets of your content can drive traffic to your profile and expand your reach. Finally, explore additional revenue streams within the platform, such as tips, pay-per-view content, or personalized messages. By diversifying your income sources, you can maximize your earnings and create a sustainable business model on OnlyFans. With dedication and creativity, the potential to earn on this platform is significant.